What's going on, guys? We are doing some DoorDash with full self-driving. We got a hot spot at a Potbelly sandwich shop, so we're headed that way. Car's driving by itself. We'll be there in 7 minutes. I haven't done DoorDash since 2019 when I first got the car, and I only did maybe 5 deliveries. So hopefully this doesn't take too long. I've seen some videos where people make some decent money, but you gotta really do it for a long period of time. I think they average like $30, $25 I think after fees and expenses, which I don't have the gasoline expense. Alright, we're looking for orders, and man, last night as soon as I turned on the app, I was testing it out, and I got like within seconds I got an order from like Taco Bell and then one from Jack in the Box, but I like declined them and then closed the app. I was like, ugh, that probably ruined my score, but I didn't want to do any driving yesterday. I was just updating the app, making sure everything worked. Holy crap. Slow down speed. Why are you going 50, bro? What's it trying to do here? What you trying to do? Elon, we got to work on that parking lots. It's like really confused. Looks like we got an order from McDonald's for 5. It's close to my house, so I'll accept it.
Head north.
It's $5. Not, I think I had read some guy, he said to don't accept anything under
Your
6.
destination is on the left.
Yeah, don't accept anything under $6, but we're just making a video here. Right, I'm going to park and get off. That kind of works because it's like pick it up, go drop it off, kind of close to my house. All right, so I'm gonna go pick this up. I'll be back, guys. We've got the order here and we're headed out. Pretty easy. Guess I was already in drive and I put it in drive again. See, this is gonna be like 9 minutes. It probably took us 8 minutes to get here.
Head south toward Town Center Boulevard.
That should have gone. Yeah, that lady's trying to park there. Once I get out of this parking lot, since the beta is still a little not polished around parking lots, I'm just gonna do the streets, city streets.
Turn left onto Town Center Boulevard. In 800 feet, turn right onto Atascocita Road.
Alright, so the car's driving by itself. I'm just here moving the volume up and down so it knows that I'm handling the wheel, because it wants you to touch the steering wheel every so often. Got an orange light. Oh, dang it. Food fell. Maybe like a hook or something. You know what? Better yet, if I put the food behind me, it's got nowhere to go. Minus gas, which I don't have gas. I don't know how much electricity I'm going to use. Say 10 miles. I mean, this is a great way to test FSD. I'm doing actual drives and doing a little bit of money. I'd be driving anyways. Car wants to turn right. Let's go ahead. Actually, I can't tell you how much we're going to use. So far, we've used 2 kilowatts, so it's costing me 26 cents in energy. Not bad, and I'm pretty close to my house, so I think I'm just gonna do this run and head home, unless I want to continue. But I don't know. Maybe if something pops up really quick, I might take it. Otherwise, I will. I don't know. We'll see what happens. That guy's in a cool electric scooter. You can see the scooter is showing it as like a bike and then a person. It's going unprotected left. Ooh, comes in too fast in the neighborhood. All right, so here we have a situation with cars. We're gonna let it just go 15 miles an hour. We'll go 10. I don't like going too fast. It sees that person there. It slowed down. It did amazing there. All right. So we're gonna park right here real quick while we. All right, guys. Just like that, we got 575. Alright guys, so I don't know if the camera recorded the other DoorDash. So I did a McDonald's delivery. I know it recorded to when I got to McDonald's. Other than that, I don't know what happened. We just got really close to my house, picked up this Church's chicken, and we headed, it's kind of far, almost 8 miles. The car's driving by itself. So we're gonna take a left, make sure we're going to the same location. All I did was adjust the volume, and now I'm adjusting the speed to 30 miles an hour. Green light.
Continue on West Lake Houston Parkway for 3 miles.
I believe it's 2 lanes to turn left here, so yeah. We'll see what the car decides on.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Kingwood Drive. Continue on Kingwood Drive for a half mile. Make a U-turn.
All right, let's see how the car handles this.
Continue straight.
All right, I got a little scared here, but we're gonna turn here. All right. I would say the car was even better than us.
Head south, then sharp left.
All right, guys, so we dropped that off. I don't like delivering to apartments because they're confusing. But I was able to find the building and drop it off. And let's see. Trips. We used 3 kilowatts, so we're going to use another 3. So that's 6 at 13 cents. And we've made, like, I don't think it's worth it. Yeah, we made $12 in like 45 minutes. That's bad. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I'm headed home. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.